How to install Discord in Windows 10. Now the first step that you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then go to the search and search for Discord. Then you are going to see their official website, which is discord.com. So click on that first link. Then it is going to land you here on their homepage. So what you need to do is to click on that download button at the top there. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see download for Windows. Click on it. Then the download will begin automatically. As you can see at the top here, the download will begin. So it is only 115 MBs. Just give it time for it to finish. Now once the download has complete, just click on the setup file to run the file. Then I'm going to minimize Google Chrome. Then you will see this pop up on your screen. So it is downloading update. So once Discord has been installed in your Windows 10, you can register if you do not have an account. But if you have an account, you can log in. You can use your email and your password to log in. Or you can scan this QR code from your Android phone. And that's really it, guys. That's how to download and install Discord on Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.